Hi, Lisa. Okay, I brought up your homework assignment from last module, from module 2, chapter 3 textbook assignment. And I'm going to walk through these with you, a couple of them on how you got off or what you need to do in order to get that last character. Now, you coded admission for adjustment of artificial egg on this one on number 3, which you got wrong, but you only got it wrong because you didn't go to the back of the book and get that extra character. So let's go to Z44.10 in the back of the book, which is way back in the very back. And you have to do this with every single time you code. So it's not just when you feel you have to go back here and you have to look. So under Z44.10, it says that you need, next to that Z44.10, there's a red box there, and it says you need 5 characters. You have to use one of those codes under there, the Z44.101. I guess you need 6 characters, or Z44.102 or Z44.109. This one says adjustment of artificial egg. So you want left or right, and it doesn't say. So we need to have the 109, which is the unspecified leg, because they didn't tell us which one. So you missed it because you missed that last character. So again, look at the Z44.10. Next to it says it needs 6 characters. That means you look down and you have to code one of those 3. Okay, let's look at another one. This one here, anorexia nervosa. Now you coded the F50.0. Go into F50.0 in the back of the book. Okay, and next to F50.0, there's a red box that says that you need to have 5 characters. So you either code with the 00, 01, or 02. In this case, we want the anorexia nervosa unspecified because they don't tell us anything besides the anorexia nervosa. So you use the F50.00. So you add that extra 0. Not coding it with the extra 0 makes it wrong and incorrect, and it will be errored out. Okay, so you have to add all of the characters or it's not right. Okay, let's look at another one. This one down here is another one that we need to look in the back of the book. So we have Coates disease, and you've got the first part right, H35.0. Going to the back of the book to H35.0. H35.0, next to it, it says that it needs 5 characters again. So it actually, wait a minute, I can't see it. I think I'm on the wrong code. H35, you got H35.00. You actually need to see 3, 4, 5. Okay, H35.02, H35.02, 00 tells you that you need to have 5 characters. It was actually, you were supposed to find the H35.02, which gives you 6 characters. And from there you have to pick, is it right, left, bilateral, unspecified? This is unspecified, so you needed the 9. Now let's go back to Coates disease in the front of the book, because for some reason you didn't get your full characters looking at the front. So COATS disease says to look at retinopathy, executive tips. So retinopathy. Okay. Okay. And going down to exudative gives you H35.02. So it codes it a little further. So I'm not sure how you got the 0, 0, unless you just did the retinopathy, but it actually did tell you and guide you to C retinopathy exudative, which is H35.02. Back in the book to H35.02 gives you 6 characters that you need, and you pick the H35.029 because it is an unspecified I. Okay, let's do one more. Laceration of the right eyeball. Okay, this one here, SO5, let's do laceration because he had one of the codes incorrect, or one of the characters. So laceration to eyeball, which gives you SO5.3. Okay, then we go to the back of the book to SO5.3. SO 5.3. Okay, and then from there, it says next to it that we need 5, but if you look down, it says we need 7 when we get to the actual options. So we're going to actually fill, which you did on your code, but we went SO 5.3, and then we're looking at right eyeball. So we want the 3-1, and 7 characters means we have to put 1 X in there and then an A for initial on the back side. Okay. The only other thing I could tell you after that is on some of these that you may not have gotten correct is just like make sure you watch the red notes and check for those as well when you're reading back there to see if there's any red notes in that code that tells you to code another code as well. Okay, I hope this helps. And let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.